Okay, in this video we're going to learn different terms for people like you.
A girl.
So yeah, we'll start with, do you want to go with this one?
The first one is 辣妹, which means a hot girl.
Hot girl.
Very attractive, very hot.
It's funny because 辣 means hot.
Yes.
As in, if you eat something, it's very spicy.
Spicy.
So just like in English, where you call something hot as in it's spicy, you can also call people hot as in not just spicy, but actually...
A hot chick.
Hot chick.
A hot guy.
Yeah. And the May just comes from little sister.
Yes.
Because... yeah, it's usually, May just sounds more like she's, I don't know, younger.
A young girl,
I guess.
Yeah, young female.
And Jie from, like, if you use the Jie instead, it would be like, oh, she's a bit wiser than that. That's not too sexy.
It's sexy these days.
It is quite, yeah. Anyways, that's sort of how the word came about, why it's May and not Jie, if you ever wondered that. Yeah. Now, I think we can move on and go with Zheng now as well.
Zheng is also, like, really good looking, like, really, she's decent.
Zheng. So Zheng being like accurate or correct or formal. Yeah. So Zheng Mei, you can say. That's a good term as well, actually.
Yeah,
very good term.
Attractive girl.
And the third term is just because we like to use English, or at least English words, or in some cases just letters. So in this case, we just write. MM. Not the M&Ms that you can eat, but MM that you can think are attractive. So these are, why is it?
Yeah, it means Mei Mei, like a beautiful girl. And it's short for a beautiful girl, MM.
MM. But it's not younger sister. It's not Mei Mei.
No, it's not Mei Mei, it's Mei Mei.
So the first Mei is beautiful, and the second Mei is
eyebrow.
There we go.
So beautiful eyebrow.
Beautiful
like
eyebrow.
A beautiful woman. Beautiful girl. So
it's actually quite funny because you have like for woman, you can use 3 terms in Chinese, 3 characters that all start with M. And Mei. You have Mei as in little sister. Yes. You have Mei as in beautiful.
Yes.
You have Mei as in
eyebrow
as well. So just pay attention to that. So if you say call someone Mei, then you don't even have to know the tone. You'll be accurate anyways.
Yes.
You'll get something right. Yeah. Fantastic. So then you can say MM, or you can say the other ones too.
辣妹 or 正妹.
Good luck and enjoy those ones. Hopefully you get called, either one of them, because they're all pretty and beautiful.
Yes.